Yeah. So guys, check it out, this place. Go in the website, in the Facebook. They are in the Facebook. I will gonna tag them in the Facebook so other people can see what is they can see here. So guys, maybe you can come visit on this place. Bisitahin nyo itong company na car na ito. Pasasakayin kanila ng magagandang at mga luma, mga antik na mga sasakyan. Ako, pinasakay nila ako para akong prinsesa. Sorry. Yung asma ko, hindi na naman sa akin nag-iibigan. Ang asma ko, talaga. Love that car.